These brand new, don't step on my balances. I'ma hit that if she let me. They don't like how I talk that. Yeah. Flooded out my wrist, a puddle dripping. 42, I'm steady sipping. Yeah, I'm on and I'm off.
Hi best friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, what's up? My name is Sin, or Aiyanyi, you can call me either or. I am the wig maker, okay? So today I am reviewing this hair from Afsisterwig. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's how it looks like. That's how it's spelled, Afsisterwig. They reached out to me and they wanted to know if I wanted to try some of their merchandise, and of course I said yes, because I've never tried that company before. And I was actually looking for some blonde hair because I wanted to do like a bomb blonde blunt cut. And like you guys know from my previous videos, I've been feeling blunt cuts lately, so I told them yes. I found this wig on their website. This is their Diana wig. It did not come this color. I did customize this wig. I do have a video. If you haven't saw it, I will link it down below or somewhere up here. I don't know, but I will link it on here probably at the end of the video. Did show you guys how I got this color. It was super easy, super simple, super fast. Probably took me 30 minutes to do it, to apply the color, let it sit. And I show you guys how I do everything except straighten it, because I feel like, you know, straightening your hair gets redundant. Like once you see one straightening video, you've seen them all. Like, yeah. So Miranda, who is a customer service rep for Afsisterwig, she was very kind, asked me if I wanted to try a unit from them, either bundles or a wig. I chose actually a wig this time because usually I get a bundle, and I just didn't feel like making a wig. So I got a wig that was already made. This is a full lace unit. It's a medium cap, and what I am going to tell you that is, she did tell me that they ran out of large caps because I initially requested a large cap. She asked me was it okay if she sent the medium, and I say yes, but I have a 22.5 circumference of a head, okay? Your girl got a big head. So what that means is a 22.5 barely fits me. A large would have been very comfortable. A large is like a 23.5, okay? So the 22.5 barely fits me because I have a little ponytail in the back of my hair because of my cornrows. This wig is on my head, as you can see, but you know, she's holding on for dear life as of right now. But like, she's just so bomb. So I'm just happy that you know, it did actually fit, and I did maneuver a little bit. That's the reason why I have these baby hairs right here, to hide where my actual hairline is that sits right here, because it's kind of peeking through. It does not shed. It took color well. I was actually scared to put the color on here because the instructions on the Wella Color Charm box said to use 30 volume developer. Since this was already processed, then like in my head it was processing the hair again. Like I was on the line of using like a 20 or a 10 volume instead of that actual 30, because 30 is strong and it does lift, and I really didn't want the hair to mix. So I followed the steps of the box, crossed my fingers when it came to applying this color. I hurry up and applied the colors to the wig, and I did the shadow roots basically, and this is the outcome of it. The hair is in great integrity right now, and I love it. It still has movement, like it's moving, it's not stiff. AliExpress or Chinese based companies, they are riddled with synthetic fibers, and you know, it doesn't hold color well. Or you go in and you try to flat iron your hair after you know, colored the hair, and the color essentially burns off. That's because, it's not because your flat iron is hot, it's because it's so much synthetic fibers in there. Synthetic fibers can't hold semi-permanent colors. So when you go in with a flat iron, you're essentially burning the color off that plastic hair. So I just wanted to mention that because somebody said something in one of my periwinkle video about, I had a bob that looks like this, but it was periwinkle, and the color of the bob changed when I put heat on it. I did the same heat settings with this wig, and this wig is perfectly fine. And yeah, so that's all I'm gonna say. You definitely have to watch out for, you know, companies that's passing Barbie hair as pure 613 hair. So I can honestly say I give this brand a thumbs up when it comes to their blonde hair. I haven't tried any other texture from them or color or natural hair colors. Only this is my first wig that I have tried from the company, and I am excited and I can't wait to go out tonight because your girl hair is lit. Yes, okay. But anyway, like I said, I will list all the products that I use down below. I will list a link to the specific wig that I am wearing down below. I will link the tutorial of how I got this color and how I did my application down below, okay? The only thing I don't have is a makeup tutorial, so don't even ask. I feel like makeup has just become extinct on this YouTube channel. Like, y'all don't care about my makeup, y'all just want the wigs, and I'm here and I'm going to give it to you. To follow my social media, I will leave them somewhere on the screen as well down below in the description bar or the comment area. And that is it, you guys. I hope you like these two videos, the how-to and the actual review. And like I said, this wig, specific wig, gets a thumbs up from me. Bye, best friends.